Have you ever considered adding a floral touch to your meals? Welcome to a universe where culinary artistry meets botany, a realm where flowers are more than just pretty ornaments. They are a hidden delight, a feast for the eyes and the palate. For centuries, cultures around the globe, from the Far East to the Mediterranean, have been incorporating flowers into their cuisine, transforming ordinary meals into extraordinary culinary experiences. It's time to explore the world of edible flowers. Edible flowers offer both flavor and visual appeal to your dishes. Let's dive into the vibrant world of edible flowers, starting with nasturtiums, marigolds, and violets. Each of these blossoms brings a unique flavor profile to the table. Nasturtiums, with their bold orange blooms, offer a delightful peppery taste, akin to watercress. They make a lively addition to salads and can even be stuffed with a savory filling for a surprising appetizer. Marigolds, on the other hand, have a slightly spicy, tangy flavor. Their vibrant petals can be used to add a pop of color and a hint of zest to salads and rice dishes. And then we have violets. These delicate, fragrant flowers have a sweet, floral taste that's perfect for desserts. Imagine a violet-infused panna cotta or a handful of violet petals sprinkled over a lemon tart. Incorporating edible flowers into your cuisine not only enhances the visual appeal, but also introduces unique flavors, transforming ordinary dishes into extraordinary culinary experiences. Remember, the key is to experiment and find the combinations you love. While flowers can be a delightful addition to your meals, it's important to proceed with caution. Remember, only consume flowers that are known to be safe and edible. Prioritize sourcing from reliable places, steering clear of flowers treated with pesticides or other harmful chemicals. Your safety should always come first. Edible flowers can truly elevate your culinary experience. They are not just for aesthetics, but also add unique flavors and nutritional value. So why not give it a whirl? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content. Until next time, happy cooking and experimenting with edible flowers.